Hi, this is Ferre, and I'm here with Stephen Swenson, and this is a brief video about a one-day online workshop that we have coming up here soon in the month of December.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to be holding this one day on December 12th, coming up next month.
Yeah, in fact, if you are unfamiliar with who we have a company and also a website, membership website, taxselfsupport.com. That has a lot of members that join, and also a coaching program. And in fact, the reason we're doing this one day online workshop is something we've done one other time before, but it's something fairly new, or something that we've been forced to kind of do recently.
Yeah, exactly. Well, and part of the problem is because of the COVID virus. Not only has it affected us as a company, it's also affected tax sales in general.
Yeah, it has been a weird time for tax sales, where a lot of local governments haven't been able to hold their normal live auctions that they would hold. A lot of governments kind of shut down to some degree, and a lot of counties are sitting on inventory. That's old. But I think even beyond the counties, it's affected people. Just everyday people, and their ability to do things. For instance, with us and our business, it's affected us in that we used to do 3-day workshops in different cities.
Yeah, exactly. And with the virus, we haven't been able to do that. In addition with that, the counties as well have been affected because there's been all of these counties that haven't been able to sell their property. So there's all of this leftover inventory, or I guess inventory that's waiting to be sold.
Yeah, there is. I think there is a buildup that is occurring, and I think the coming months and year could be really good for that time period. But for us, what the virus did is it stopped us from being able to do our normal 3-day events that we would do to go around and in various cities. And so instead, we decided we wanted to see if we could try to condense it into something more like an online workshop, one that you could attend that was one day. So we did that a few months back, and it actually turned out really well. And we have so much material that we can cover that we decided we should do it again.
Yeah, absolutely. So, really what we're doing is we've been able to take that material that we cover over 3 full days and condense, part of it into a one-day training where we're able to really go through many aspects that we do in our larger seminars, but you being able to do it from the comfort of your home.
Yeah, and so some of the things that attendees are going to learn about are going to be things like it'll be, some of it will be basics, basics, tax liens versus tax deeds, but it's also going to be state specific. Where we're going to be talking about different states very specifically and getting into searching on them, but also kind of a broader overall national review, so you kind of understand how the entire country works. We want to make sure you understand how all of the property tax enforcement systems work, but beyond that, how to understand some of these different systems when it comes to the research we're going to perform for due diligence.
Yeah, well, and part of that is understanding how deeds work, understand how county recorders work and their functions, and how us as investors can go through and start researching these different property records and court records to find information out about the property.
Yeah, part of it is just about knowing that the types of records that are out there and how they can be utilized when you are conducting research about a property. It's about knowing how to find them, knowing how to read them. And really, there's so much more information that we could add, to this list that we'll be able to cover during this one day. Essentially, what we're doing is it's going to be held on the 12th of December, which is a Saturday, and we do that so hopefully it'll work out better for a lot of schedules. But the best part, I think, about it is really the price.
Yeah, absolutely. We're allowing members to join for only $49. And so you'll be able to get registered for it and really spend the entire day with us. In addition to that, there's also going to be a bonus strategy call.
Yeah, so it's not just that you get the one day, but you're also going to get the strategy call on top of that. And so for a one day, for an entire one day training, it's a great price. And if you've when we did it last time, I think that people were really happy with it, and it's certainly spurred us on to do it again.
Yeah, well, we've had a lot of people that have been asking us to do it again. they weren't able to attend the first day. And we also, like Shade said, we've had, so many people rave about that one day. Were excited, really, felt like after attending that one day, they really understood tax sale investing, a whole lot better, and now felt like they had the knowledge to actually go out there and start taking action with it.
Yeah. So, it is going to be online there, although we've got a limited number of people that can join. So
yeah, we're trying to keep it a pretty small group.
Yeah. So save your seat now. You can register on the website, and and you also get that bonus strategy call with it as well.
Yeah. So if you like our videos, like the training, please subscribe. Hit the like button. And stay tuned for more videos, and of course, would love to see you at that one day.
Yeah, thanks for watching.